The Bureau of Corrections, or BuCor, installs 2 high-power signal jammers inside the new Bilibid prison's Building 14, which houses more than 40 high-profile inmates including Raymond Dominguez, Co and Jaybee Sebastian, who allegedly managed drug operations within the medium-security compound. BuCor aims to cut off inmates' communication with people outside the penitentiary to stop the illegal drug transactions.
Tinanggal nila yung cooler, may mga nakatago palang ilang cellphones yun doon. Pati yung mga upuan maliliit, yung stool, halimbawa yung upuan ng naglalaba, no? Merong doon, may taguan ng cellphone. Maaring meron pa. May mga may nagagamit pa sila na mga gadgets doon sa loob, especially cellphones.
The signal jammers, worth 20 million pesos each, may affect nearby houses with their 20-meter radius. BuCor plans to install more of these within the NBP's maximum and minimum compounds if they will be effective.